The peace process in Turkey, which has begun, even if it's very difficult, and even if Turkey has not responded, I think this is a momentum that we should use to fight and to struggle and to keep up the diplomatic effort towards all the European bodies, to Turkey, and just try our best to raise the question wherever we are. And if I could talk to or say something to President Erdogan and the Turkish government, I would say that peace is possible, but it requires political encouragement. Take this opportunity, this momentum, to end this conflict once and for all. You have to heal the wounds and build a democratic future for all citizens in Turkey. Engage with Mr. Ocalan as a legitimate interlocutor in this process. And if you do so, your moves will be historical. You will never be forget if you end this war and transform the Turkish society into a peaceful, democratic society to the best for all people of Turkey.